Francis has shown slight but encouraging signs of improvement as he continues his battle with double pneumonia. The Vatican released a health update on Wednesday, stating that a recent CT scan showed the normal evolution of his lung infection under treatment. However, at 88 years old and with a history of lung complications, his condition remains serious. Doctors say the Pope is still receiving high flow supplemental oxygen, but he has not suffered any further respiratory crisis since Saturday. His blood tests show improvement, particularly in platelet counts and anemia, and a previously detected slight kidney insufficiency has now receded. In a notable revelation, the Vatican confirmed that Francis is undergoing respiratory physiotherapy, an effort to help clear his lungs. The Pope has been hospitalized at Rome's Gemelli Hospital since February 14th following a worsening bout of bronchitis. While the Vatican did not explicitly state that he remains in critical condition in Wednesday's update, doctors continue to describe his prognosis as guarded, meaning he's still not out of danger. Despite his illness, the Pope resumed his official duties from his hospital room. He received the Eucharist in the morning and later approved new bishop appointments and a financial fundraising initiative for the Holy See, decisions that had been in process before his hospitalization but were only made official now. Outside the hospital, a growing number of well wishers have gathered to show their support. A statue of Saint John Paul II near the hospital entrance has become an unofficial pilgrimage site, with visitors leaving candles, balloons, and handwritten messages. On Wednesday, a group of 50 pilgrims from Menorca, Spain, led by Bishop Gerardo Villonga, prayed at the site, emphasizing the importance of solidarity in times of illness. Adding to the heartfelt tributes, musicians Felice Carella and Davide Capuano performed Schubert's Ave Maria outside the hospital at dusk. Capuano called it a prayer for the Pope, urging the world to join in their hope for his recovery. Meanwhile, at St. Peter's Square, a special prayer vigil was held, led by Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re, the 91-year-old dean of the College of Cardinals. Re, a key figure in Vatican leadership, has been a close aide to Francis and could play a significant role in any future conclave. Across the city, faithful members of the Pope's homeland gathered in the Argentine Church of Rome for a special mass led by Cardinal Balsadare Reina. At the hospital itself, another mass was held at lunchtime in Francis's honor. For many, Francis's fragile health has long been a concern. Argentine nun Sister Nilda Trejo recalled how the Pope has always struggled with breathing and speaking loudly, saying, and I quote, "We knew that he often found it difficult, but he always spoke to the heart of the people." End quote. As the world continues to watch and pray, Pope Francis's fight against pneumonia remains ongoing. While his condition shows small signs of improvement, he is still far from recovery. The Vatican is expected to provide further updates in the coming days. Stay tuned for more updates.